Welcome back to English Sessions with SK. Let's get started with today's exercise, pronoun quiz. First is identify the pronoun in these sentences. She loves reading books. Here, she is the pronoun. She comes in place of name of a person. So it's a third person subject. They are playing in the park. Here, they is the pronoun because it refers to more than one person. So it's a plural. Give it to me, please. Here, it and me both are pronouns. It is first person singular object pronoun. Next is we will go shopping tomorrow. Here, we is the first person plural pronoun. Next, he gave her a beautiful gift. Here, he and her both are pronouns. Her is the object pronoun and he is the subject pronoun. It is raining heavily today. It comes from things, animals, and time. Next exercise, replace with pronoun. Pronouns are used to avoid the repetition of nouns. Here we will avoid the repetition of the name Maria. Maria is a great dancer. Maria practices every day. So instead of repeating Maria 2 times, we will write she. She practices every day. Next sentence is the boys went to the store. The boys brought snacks. Here boys is a plural noun. So instead of boys, we can use they. So the answer is they brought snacks instead of boys. Next sentence is my sister and I love painting. Here instead of repeating my sister and I, we can use plural we, first person plural we here. We paint every day. The next sentence is the cat chased the mouse. The cat didn't catch the mouse. Here, cat and animal, we can use it because gender is not known. So it comes for animal. So we can say it didn't catch it. It didn't catch it. Next is the teacher praised Anil. The teacher gave Anil a star. Here we don't know the gender, so both he or she can be used here instead of the teacher. And Anil is the object of the sentence. So the answer is he/she gave him a star. If you are liking my content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.